everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can use unnest function in pgadmin4. Unnest function is used to output the contents of a specific column as different rows. So let's take a look at my table. So I have two columns, name and interest. But within the interest column, I have, for example, for John, I have three different interests. I have reading, coding, and music. But now I want to output these interests, reading, coding, and music, as separate rows. So in order to do that, I need unnest function. So I'm going to say select unnest, and then I have to open the parentheses, and inside the parentheses I have to write string to array. Then I have to open another parentheses. Here, first of all, you have to mention the name of your column. For me, it's interests. The column, the contents of which you're trying to unnest. After writing the column name, you have to write a comma, and then after a comma, you have to specify by which character you are trying to split the content of the column. So here, let me just copy this. Alright, so inside the interests, I have reading, coding, and music, right? Now these are joined together by a comma. Now I want to split these and unnest these by the comma. So each time pgadmin sees a comma, it splits this into a different row. Then after coding, I have a comma, and then when it sees a comma, it splits this again into music. So for that reason, the character by which I want the unnest to take place is comma. So I have to write comma, but pgadmin doesn't understand this comma, so I have to add this inside the apostrophe. So like this. Oh, sorry. Now let's test it. I have to say from users because that's the table name. Let me delete this. And let's run this. Now the interests are split, but I don't know which name they belong to, so I'm gonna just add name here, and I will run this again. Okay, so for each name I have interests, but the interests are given as a separate rows, and I will also name this as interests. So yeah, for John I have three interests: reading, coding, and music. For Sarah, two interests: fitness and cooking. And for Mike, gaming and coding. And this is how you use unnest function.